Right, how many da? Can I 0.5 multiplied by 100? I get it on Fabgai. What is 0.5 times 100? 50. Which is 50 centimeters. I get?
Yes.
Right, so come on, Thomas, signally 50 centimeter is to 250 centimeter. And then from here, I divide by the smaller number in 50. In far 1 centimeter is to 5 centimeter. In fact,
how much is 5 centimeter?
1 centimeter is to 5 centimeter. 1 centimeter is to 5 centimeter. There's a first of all, give a one conversion. Only 1 mark. And then secondly, give a one simplify it. Only 2 mark.
1 mark.
So, 3 mark problem. 3 mark. 3 mark that problem.
Increase.
Bebar increase 1.9.
1.9.
Increase 45 rand in the ratio 9:5. We're increasing that amount, I get, in that ratio. How are we going to increase that amount? You will just say 9. You will just say 9 over 5 and multiply by 45. What value do you get there? 9 over 5 multiplied by 45. 9 over 5 times 45. And you will get 81 rand.
81.
I get? And you will get 2 marks for that. You will get 2 marks for that. You will get that. Divide 450 in the ratio 4:5. How to divide 450 in the ratio 4:5. Now, the first thing we get when you are dividing there, the first thing we get you are adding these numbers. You will start first by saying 4 plus 5, and that will give you 9. And then you will say 4 over total of 9, and you will multiply by 450. You forgot.
4 into 5
4 into 5 everything.
Yeah. I give 450. You are 4 into 5
We know a problem. We divide 450 in the ratio 4:5.
What today?
15% of it.
We try 15%. Kinto. Can I remove 15% about off? I get out of every.
Monna khotso ke ena problem ena o itse divide 450 in the ratio 4:5 in that. Remove nanta.
Oh,
Remove. When I go and say divide 450 in the ratio 4:5.
Oh, yeah, I can.
Hey, when how I key?
Oh, wow.
When how I key? 4 over 9 multiply by 450. It offer 200 rand. Kya pele you offer 200 rand. Ya bobedi otore 5 over 9 multiply by 450. Jwanga pa jwan tlamile you offer 250. And then when you have this is 2 mark, which is a total of 4 mark. A total of 4 mark. All right. Hurry to another question. Determine 15% of this amount. 2.1. No, that the hot. Determine 15%. 15% of 23,450. 15% of that. You just take your 15. You divide that by 100. And then you multiply by 23,450. I'll share 15%. We multiply that by 23,450. You offer 3,517.50. The answer you have 2 mark for that. You will get 2 mark for that. You will get 2 mark for that. 3,517 rand 50. 15% are 23,450. I'll get to the next question. Divide 34,500 in the ratio 2:3:5. What you want to divide 34,500 in the ratio 2:3:5. And to appeal to you more or add the ratio to half. Or 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 10. Again? And then over 34,500, sorry, and then over 2 over 10. I want to shave it. Ramon that 2.2. 2 over 10 multiply by 34,500. You fakarabo. Yabubedi utori 3 over 10 multiply by 34,500. You fakarabo. Yau katila utor 5 over 10 multiply by 34,500 you fakarab. And then you are done. Simple questions that you should have got correct. Then we multiply by 34,500. 6,900. Yabubedi ke 3 you for 10,350, and then the last one you for 17,250. So how did you get 6 mark? 2, 2, 2. Get 6 mark. Put it. A total of 6. Here in 2.2. 2.2. 2.2. Which one is bigger? 2.3. Which one is bigger between 1,32 or the square root of 163? Which one is bigger? o lo sheba na the square root of 163 ke bokae on a 1,32 or in a over 12,767. So this is bigger. This one.
o bentse khotso ke ntho re khona re fitla mo
2.3
Eh.
oh 2.3
mara ntona o engotse 2.2 mso
I khona that ke 2.3 into
ke na impulse
o entse mara o inepile if we inepile
ke fasi
if I forcite we forcite mara ke 2.3 into
karabo ke
which one is bigger this one which one is bigger which one is bigger
you get of mam so 2 kapa
1 mark write down the factors of 18. The factors of 18 are all the numbers. When we multiply them, we get 80. 1 times 18 ke 80. 9 times 2 ke 80. Ke bokae hape kana nomoro tse pedi se ke reng ha re di multiply di ka fa 18. Hey guys, 9 times 2 re na le yona ke 18. Hape re na le 1 times 18 ke 18. Tse ding ke tse feng hape? I think it's on a fella tse. 1 2
6 multiplied by 3
6 times 3. So ke 1 2 3 6 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Ke di factors tsa 18. 1 times 18 ke 18, 2 times 9 ke 18, 3 times 6 ke 18. Ha na le tsona ntho tse o mo ne ya 3
asa
mark.
kinya ka asa di etsa kaofela
Ha sa di tsa kaofela o mo fa 1 mark mara total ke 3.
1
O
mark
mo ne ya 1 over 3 kapa 2 over 3 kapa 3 over 3.
o ngwana fela mso
o entse filter
2 ke 2
ha o multiply
aga tsa step ke kentse di factors ho nna ka ba mitse 60
Right. Harbo.
Bona ke nne laptop ma
3. Hurry. Simplify. 2.5. 2.5 again a 10 exponent 7 divided by 5 times 10 exponent 4. I know when I divide numbers of the same basis, I subtract the exponents. On a 10 to exponent 7, on ga exponent ina buisa ka hodimo e ba minus 4. Ka fatshe o ntse na le 5. Ke bokae 7 minus 4 ke 3 over 5. 10 to exponent 3 ke 1000 over 5. Maren twe nanga ngola tene eo ele 5 times 2 to exponent 3. Aga nanga ngola jwalo all over 5. Aga ona le 1 ona le 1 mo nka ngola ntuna ele 5 exponent 3 2 exponent 3 all over 5 exponent 1. Ke cancela tse a1 ke cancela a1 o sala tse pedi ka hodimo. Ln 5 squared times 2 exponent 3 ln 25 times 8. Ake tsebe yo fa bokae? 25 times 8. 200.
Tango.
I know maka ntshone tilele. Ke tlo maka fela go hlaisitse when you divide you subtract the final answer.
One of the
That's all.
Ke
Ke yona fela ntse ke tlo e etsang eng.
thabela ntho ya go go ntho e dijeng
Hare ye.
Eng hlanga le pileng so.
so o ke ka special ka bona o thabela go go ntho e dijeng
Hare ye 2.6.
ke bona ke go tsena e go bona dizo tse ngata
Hare shebe 2.6. A ke bona khotso ngotseng mo. A ke bo. to simplify P4 Q squared Q minus 2 kapa minus 3 mo ntwe Q minus 3 kapa minus 2
Q minus
Q minus 2
Go she go nna Q.
very P4
minus 2.
all over Q6 when I multiply numbers of the same basis, I add 4 plus 4 Q it over 2 minus 2 minus 6 it over P8 Q 2 minus 2 is 0 minus 6. You get 2 mark for that. 2 mark for that. And also to simplify and to even. Modulo fatshe o practice. Modulo fatshe o practice. Anga shebe 2.7. Ake re iphe nako ke re shebe 2.7. Ba go simplify negative 8x4 y squared 5x3 y4 minus 2x. Ke tlo simplify as 1 2. Ho hone ke tlo qala ka di number p. Ke tlo re negative 8 times 5 times negative 2. Negative 8 times 5 times negative 2. Bekia ka di x. Kere x4 times x3 times x1. Multiply bekere y squared y4.
Bala kana ke itse nna vele ka mkhodi mo tsenga teng ke groupile mona
Le nna le grouping.
mara mso ke bona go dira mo go sisi
Di number ka di number di alphabet ka di alphabet. Ke yona ntho nne ke yentseng.
Alphabet.
groupile tse tshwanang tse tsena tse tshwanang be ke be le nna ka thupa ke ke le yona ke tsetsa
Ho salang ha fela re fa ka bo i1 ka hantle. 80 x hona le 1 mo 4 plus 3 ke 7 plus 1 ke 8 2 plus 4 ke 6 ha sa fumana ntwe na la mathata serious 80 x 8 y 6
go 6
and then go fa di marks tse kae tse pedi
na itse
go fa di marks tse pedi
itse 12 o mane nna ke kenye 8
abo go fa di marks tse pedi right hurry up hurry up go 2.8 negative 5 2x4 y squared 5x3y negative 2x nanga etsa mo nna nka qala pele ka di number ka negative 5 times 2 times 5 times negative 2 kata ka di alphabet x4 x3 x because on the one mo kata ka di y squared times y negative 5 Negative times negative is a positive. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 4. 25 times 4 is 100. It comes for x7. In fact, x8. Because 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. It comes for y3. This becomes your final answer. 100 x8 y3. 2 mark for that. 2 mark for that. You get a total of 2 mark for that. You get a total of 2 mark. Ale practice.
Yeah, msu. Kona ko msu.
Ale practice.
Yeah, ke a botsa fela ke bona. Ha ona le mo ha ke tlo kgona o thola makinyana for grouping.
No, ha no ka group correct bo fosa ka ga.
Ona le nomoro e ke kentseng e phoso for ke kgone go fosa ka ga.
Ona le step se kaofela.
Se jwalo kaofela mare nna ke groupile tsento.
Ke batla tsa bona le step se kaofela.
Ma ke groupile dinomoro ntho e ka breketseng mona kaofela le ka breketseng ena be ke tloetsa ena ka breketseng mona e le one ka mona e bolona be bolori ke etsa phoso gore ke di multiply di jwalo kaofela.
No, and the down now guys are phoso you because you can multiply the numbers is
ma ke ntse step se tshwana le sa ke ntse step se tshwana le sa
ke batla o tseba nna pele na ona le 100 x8 y3 ka mantse mangwe e fositse
ma step stems
ke no tonta khotso ke no ke no tonta ke no ke no
yo go mams
2 ke no
so sa se ya 0 out of 6 yo
hurry eh 2.9 ena ke bone na khotso motseng
2.9
e ga 2.9
o itse 12
o itse 12p
plus 3q minus 5
12p
plus 3q
3q minus 5p
plus 6q over
plus 6q over
plus 6q
12p minus 5p ho 12 ha ke ntsha 2 ke 10 ho 10 ha ke ntsha 3 ke 7 so ke bana le 7p 3q plus 6q ke 9q all over 6q. There's nothing that I can do to simplify this. There's nothing I can do to simplify that. There's nothing. For grade how we go 1 mark. 1 mark. 0. 2.10. 2.10 icon on the post. You know we copy the wrong. 2.10 key negative 2 AB squared exponent 3. Rate ammo. How about I simplify and twig? Only one more. Otonga negative 2 ye. Onka exponent thing ya 1 we multiply by 3 again. Only 8 in an exponent ya 1. Otonga 1 ye we multiply by 3. Only b in an exponent ya 2. Otonga multiply by 3. Otonga negative 2 exponent 3 a 3 b 6. Okay, nice well. Okay, then you are fine. I get to be like
Two, one.
1 2 mark
Two, sorry, one.
for winter multiplication le for final answer. And then in reagan
Solve for x.
solve for x. Solve for x on a le
Solve for x.
3.3.1 on a le 4x plus 5 equals 5x minus 9. Kati go we tsa mo dilo fatshe le le thabo practice within 5 minutes ka o qetile practice ka o qetile permanently 2 ka o qetile practice jwale mo ntho tlo etsang ho tswa fela na le wena na o yentse ke tlo nka ena ke itlise ka mo ka mona ke na le 5x ke nka 4x ke isa ka mona e ba minus ka mona ke na le 5 ke nka 9 ke isa ka mane e ba positive 9 plus 5 e mfa 14 5x minus 4x ke x x ya ka ke 14 go fa 1 mark for this le fositse le solve for x ya solve for x ha chele motho yo ai le motho Shane le practice solve for x 3.3.2 5 into x minus 1 minus into 1 minus 2x equals 8. So mona re etsa we are using distributive law of multiplication. This is 5x minus 5 minus 1 plus 2x equals 8. 5x plus 2x is 7x. Minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 equals 8. Take this to the other side. 7x equals 14. Divide by 7x equals 2. Simple stuff. Very, very simple stuff. The go far for multiplication, Kiwani. For saying this, it's 1. 2 mark. 2 mark. Right. Harry 3.3.3. 3 exponent x divided by 1 equals 9. Anything divided by 1, the answer is that. Then get to change 9 as 3 squared. When the bases are the same, you equate the exponents. And then you are done. So 1, 2. And then that was the end of your test. That was entirely the end of your test.